What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Mega certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a great, interesting question from our audience. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hello, I appreciate some expert. Okay, I'm correct. Expert suggestions for the following scenario on Google Ads PCC. I have several ad groups focused on best hair transplant, best hair clinic, best hair treatment. Each ad group contains 5 to 6 relevant keywords. In my search term reports, I am noticing both relevant and non-relevant search terms. I have been adding the non-relevant search terms as negative keywords, but I am unsure how to handle the relevant ones. Should I add the relevant search term as keywords? If so, I am concerned about potential keyword repetition within each group. I would greatly appreciate your expert opinion and suggestion on this matter. Ad groups such as best hair transplant, best hair clinic, best hair treatment, and those ad group contains 5 to 6 keywords. Now, in search term report, I can see multiple search terms relevant and non-relevant both. I keep on adding non-relevant search terms as negative keywords. I am not getting idea about relevant search terms, what to do with them. Should I keep adding them as keywords? If yes, then each ad group may contain repetitive keywords. Would appreciate your expert opinion suggestion on this. Thanks in advance. Okay, so first of all, if your relevant keywords are being shown, it means that your ads are being shown on those keywords. And for non-relevant keywords, what you are doing is you are adding them as negative keywords, so your ad does not show on them. Now, because your ads are already being shown on relevant keywords, you do not have to do anything. Just simply ignore with this. Okay, again, but in case if you are to be on safe side, you can add those queries as exact match. There is no issue in adding those as exact match, and if there is repetition in those, you can simply ignore it, and that's perfectly fine. So yeah, this was the basic question. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. But in case if you're looking for a professional data audit of your Google Ads account to sort out issues, or want me to look around and help you on how we can optimize, then you can hire me and my team, and we can do a detailed Google Ads audit, and we can also help you in setting up your Google Ads campaign. Just simply hire us through the link in the description, and we can help you with this. But for right now, your concern, that you just have to, that I appreciate you that you have organized your opinion in good ad groups, which I personally like it because it also has been quality score. So yeah, everything is good. Just simply, what you can do is simply ignore those, and if you want, you can add them as exact match for the relevant keywords, and keep on adding non-relevant in your negative keywords. So I hope this answers your question. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Once again, thank you for watching. But still, in case if you have any question left, you are the more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.